from this to this. I'm happy to announce our free plus shipping offer. You pay for shipping, we provide the goods. This is for free. You get a trigger, dog and cat, urine eliminator, you get 25 ml concentrate and the eco tag. Put it all together and you get this. And now let's make a bottle. Bottle. This one I haven't drank. Cleaning has never been this easy. One-time offer. We have something really exciting for you. You get our True Foam. I love this product. It is an antibacterial foam sanitizer. It foams up. Let me show you. It's quite nice, lovely, soft, it doesn't dry out. It smells lovely. So where would you use this? Hand sanitizer in your car after filling up petrol, in the toilet seat in a public place, if you must sit down. And if you're having a tough day, you can put it under your arms to freshen up. So, place an order. You pay for shipping, we provide the goods.